All right, so you can see here a beautiful background in the canvas, and this is a wooden canvas. All right, and I'm going to paint a tree and few birds as a scenery. So let's draw the border line here. So this is the separation between the water level and the sky level. So that's why I'm putting a very, you can see here, light strokes with a brush. And you can see the separation points. All right, and here just draw is long neck sticks of the tree. Awesome. So these are the main trunks of the tree. Okay, some branches I'm just drawing right now. Okay, then we're going to put some leaves, you can see here. All right, also few leaves for the other branches of the tree too. All right, and because of the waves of the water pattern, you can see here it's like this wave, so you can draw some waves to define the water, right? And you can see the few reflections on the water. Okay, so the reflections going on, and you can see here the other side is little bit brighter side, so I'm going to paint some birds which is just flying back home during the evening time. All right, actually the birds they fly in a group, as you know. So yeah, usually it's not a single bird, so multiple birds. That's why when we paint the birds, we just paint a few birds together. mm-hmm. All right, okay, so let's paint few more. mm-hmm. You can see the system for drawing. I'm just painting the V, as you can see here, the V on the top, and just putting a base under it, then it's becoming a bird. mm-hmm. Okay, now one more thing we can do, that we can put some reflection elements on the tree to show that the shade is going on. From one side is going to be the lighter and another side is going to be the darker. Okay, so that's how we're going to define the trees very clearly. Awesome, let's do for other branches too. All right. So usually you just put the color in general and try to make the shades on the top. Mm-hmm. And just putting over the lines. Okay. For the branches, just we're trying to put the color on one side. Mm-hmm. Also for the main trunk, put the color on one side only. And only this part is left. Okay, and also few reflections of white. You can see just putting some wave-like patterns. Same thing in the border too. Okay, so this is the drawing. I hope you like the videos. Thanks for watching. So you can see that it looks like this. And stay tuned with Pro Hand Drawing channel. In our next videos, we're going to bring more interesting stuff. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.